Nick, what are we Porsche this color? No color. No color is in Porsche. Let me tell you.
Recycling can blue.
No. What's up, guys? How you doing today? And welcome to another episode of JDTCo. Well, I got your attention. Like, comment, and make sure you give a subscription. I'm going to tell you why. Within the next month, we're going to do a massive giveaway. I'm going to give away the biggest Milwaukee kit I can get my hands on. But you have to be a subscriber. We're going to randomly pick somebody in the comments. So we'll let you know when. But give us the sub now because we're going to kick it off real soon. And I want you guys to be in it to win it. All right. Let's talk tools. We're going to get right into it. The Schley ball joint presses are back in stock finally. And I think, Nick, help me if I'm wrong. When Schley makes a run of ball joint presses, do you think they make 20 or 25?
I think they make 10. 10?
Okay, sounds about right because every time we find them, they're sold out instantly. So what we did this time is we bought every one we could find. So this big Mama Duke is in stock for how much, Nick?
$8.99.
$8.99. And if you go on and leave in the comments below how much this is on your local Maxxeon truck. I think it's $3,000. If I'm wrong, let me know. What do you think, Nick? Probably?
3,000?
I'm exaggerating. At least 15. Made in America. Is it made in America? It's got to be at that price, right? Hang on, guys. Give me a second here. Whatever. I'm going to say it doesn't say. You know what? I can't keep you guys here all day to find out. So leave in the comments below if you know where this little piece of love is made. Okay. All right. In stock, hurry. We don't have many of them. We got a handful. We bought a bunch and they quickly exited the building. But that's okay. All right, guys, in New Jersey, it is freezing out. Winter is among us. Right, Nick? True story?
Yes, and just a quick side note. It doesn't say anywhere
Made in
the USA on their website, so I'm going to just assume that it's not.
It's probably not made over here then. It might be made over there. Where there is these days, could be anywhere. Don't jump on a China bandwagon just yet because just about every tool manufacturer has pulled out of China and Taiwan. Right, Nick? True story?
Oh, yeah.
And because,
that's why it's taken so long to make everything.
Yeah, it's crazy. And the other good news, there's another communist country waiting in the wings to make all our tool manufacturing. Where is it, Nick? Real quick.
Our good friends in Vietnam.
Vietnam. Hey, my president was over there. Seen him? Hey, listen. If you're Brazilian and you vote for Biden, they're gonna take away your Brazilian man card. You see him left him hanging over there with the handshake?
No, I don't watch anything.
Okay, back to being cold. Jersey's cold. Topdon battery testers. These are $139 with a built-in printer. I don't think you'll find a better deal, a better bang for your buck than this battery tester with a built-in printer for $139. I don't think I've ever seen one cheaper. Topdon. Topdon. Go to the top with Topdon. Did they give me a check right yet, Nick?
No. Still waiting on them to come in.
Yeah, what's his name? Shane? I think so. Chad? Chad. Okay. Chad, cut the check. All right? Okay. Sticking with our tool theme, remember, guys, give a sub. You're gonna have to have a sub when we randomly pick you to win the big Milwaukee giveaway. Hey, guys, I know Brunt Boots. Talk about Brunt Boots real quick, Nick. The oldest boot company in the world. I think they started in the 1800s. No?
Who?
Brunt.
Brunt?
Yeah.
Oh. I must have clicked on one ad for them.
Oh, don't do it, dude.
Don't. Their stuff.
Oh my God, yeah. I had to do all hide ads. My head couldn't explode. It's funny because typical guerrilla marketing, there's like 3,000 comments and you click on it and there's like 20 because they're all negative. They delete them.
Yeah.
Genius. I mean, I've done the same thing, but I mean, genius. So I know the best boot ever made. I mean, every famous boot. I mean, John Wayne wore these. Wyatt Earp wore these. Everybody wore Brunt boots. It's one of the oldest boot companies in the world. I personally didn't like them. And if you want to show up on a job like this, that's one thing. Me, not so much. I don't think this is a good-looking boot. So
I think it looks fine. I just think
you think so?
It's just junk.
I don't see these in your closet.
Yeah,
I see a pair of Thorogoods.
Thorogoods and Blundstones.
Poor Thorogood's taking it on a chin from these guys. It's funny.
I'm sure Thorogood doesn't care though.
Yeah, I know. But listen,
this is like minor leagues. They're big leagues.
I don't want to. I didn't want to go down the Brunt Thorogood battle. I wanted to show you something new for my younger, more hip mechanics from our good friends at what's the name of this company? Shoreworks. They have like 20 names. So Shoreworks just came out with a line of work boots, and we're going to be promoting them real soon. But I'm going to give you a little teaser taste of what's in the box. Right, Nick? What's in the box? Now, they sent us all a pair of these, and Nick has not taken his off since. He doesn't have them on today,
Not those. Are those the...
Nick has not taken his off since. They better be the right ones in here. They are.
I hope so.
They better be the right ones in here because you're playing with my props. Nick has not taken these boots off since he got a pair in the mail from the manufacturer. Let me show them to you. Now, Anna, you guys all need steel toe. That's okay. We got you covered. Look at these. These are nice. They look like a set of classic Chuck Taylors. They're pretty light considering it's got a hard toe. I believe it's aluminum. Is it aluminum, Nick? Aluminum or composite. And I put these on yesterday, and nothing for nothing, they're pretty comfortable. So I'm going to start wearing these, I think, myself, because I'm a sneaker guy. And these are going to change the game. You're going to show up to work with these on. Your boss is going to go, you can't wear them on a job. You need steel toes. Go home. And you're going to be like, I got them, bud. Now get off my back.
And laces. I know laces is a big thing.
Laces is a big thing. There's a lot of jobs where you have to laces, Nick. Good news, they got them. I like these. And Nick's been wearing them. Are they comfortable?
Yeah, they're comfortable. I put an insole in them. They're not bad.
Okay, so we're gonna post. Do you know what these are?
No idea.
But get ready. We're gonna post these up on the app. Listen, guys, if you have our app, we had over 150,000 people on our app. Unfortunately, we have a new app. And in order to launch the new app, we had to disable the old app. And download the new JDTCo app. If you have the old app and you click on it, it will not work. Please download the new app. We probably should have pumped the brakes and put a disclaimer on the old app before we took it down. Before we start the new app. Be like, hey guys, make sure you download the new app.
There was a lot going on.
I know. Hey, listen. At the end of the day, the new app is pretty nice, so make sure you download it.
If your app's not working, that's because you have the old one.
Yes, if your app... People are like, are you guys still in business? Yeah! So keep your eyes peeled. Moving right along. I want to talk about this or this first? Let's talk about this. Okay, guys, we all want Made in America, right? Until we try to sell channel locks and you guys lose your minds and you say Nipix is the best, but... meanwhile, Channel Lock invented any kind of plier you currently have in your hand. But we're not talking about pliers, we're talking about screwdrivers. Channel Lock also dipped their toe in the great pool of screwdrivers. And this year, one of the most popular screwdrivers that we have been selling is not a brand, but a style. And the style is called a demo screwdriver. And if you're any kind of HVAC guy, plumber, electrician, you know what a demo screwdriver is. Mechanics, you think every screwdriver is a demo screwdriver, but it's really not. These are made to beat, these are made to chisel, these are made to pry. And that's what they did here with these. Let me show it to you. Super tough, blunt tip.
Brunt tip?
Blunt, not brunt, blunt tip. And these are made to hammer on the end and chisel. And what they did for you that nobody else has done yet in the demo line of screwdrivers is, and they give you Phillips too. Again, square tip, super tough shank. And what they did here, and they're made to beat with a hammer, but what they did is, because Channel Lock is an innovative company for the last couple of 100 years, they gave you a little 1/4-inch drive. You can put your ratchet in there, or a little breaker bar, or an extension, or whatever you need to do to get the job done. Genius, genius. And I like the blue. That's a classic color blue. Nick, what do we Porsche this color? No color it is in Porsche? What we tell you?
Recycling can blue.
No. It's called Miami Blue or Shark Blue, depending upon which car you're going to get. Okay? Genius. It's not the lava orange.
I think it's more of a recycling can color.
Miami Blue. This one's Miami Blue. This one's Shark Blue. Okay? And we're going to be getting these in. These just came hot off the press. The company literally sent a man to the store yesterday to show these to us. Right? Speaking of Made in USA, another guy came in, our great friends from Mayhew, to slap us on the back and tell us how great of a job we did on the last promotion. We've sold, I think, 1 million sets of pry bars last month. We sold a lot, didn't we?
Yeah, we got more coming.
Did we sell 1 million sets?
Probably close to it.
We sold almost 1 million sets of pry bars. You know what? We didn't sell 1 million sets, but it felt like 1 million sets. We got to the point now, what we do is when the truck gets here with a pallet of pry bars, pry bars are 58 inches, so it can't fit on a regular pallet. It has to go on an extra long pallet. So in the back, I have 3 pallets of these extra long pallets hiding back there. So what we do now, because they're so heavy, we get the pallet, forklift, put it right on the front porch, leave it there, get all the tags, slap them on, leave them on a pallet. When the FedEx guy comes, he takes everything. Because moving them is a lot of work. We try to do it all in one sitting. 209, don't sleep on it, get a deal. Mayhew is one of the biggest, best manufacturers in the world for pry bars, bar none. They've been doing it over 100 years. I just got the paperwork. It said 18 something. Where is it?
I put it on my desk.
Go get it. Get it. I want to give the guys the date. I don't want nobody fact checking me. I'm the fact checker here.
160 years.
Mayhew's been making tools for 160 years. I know Snap-on invented the tool business, but Mayhew's been doing it longer. And they like us now, right?
Yeah.
They like us. Tell Mr. Mayhew, JDTCo said, hey.
I remember they were scared at first.
Yeah, at first they were kind of like intimidated by our brashness.
Well, they probably had a little someone in their ear telling us that we sucked. Telling them that we sucked.
Nah, hey, listen. Here at JDTCo, you know what we do? We sell tools. That's what we do. All fluff. There's no fluff and buff. It's all in and out. Get the tools in, out the door to go. Give us a deal. If you're a manufacturer out there and you got tools that you want sold, contact me. I move inventory. All right, Mayhew, spark plug chaser. These are brand new, hot off the press, double-sided. And do you think that maybe I can sell them the double dongler name? We currently have the patent on that name. Maybe we have a trademark. Maybe we could
Maybe the double screwer.
Nick, we really got to leave. We got to leave our day jobs and work for some other corporate companies, and let them, give them a little
Consulting.
Give them a little smoke, Nick. Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna get these 2 tools are hot, brand new tools coming in. So just when we get the pricing on, we get inventory in, we'll get them over here to talk about it. Okay. I got a lot of these. I don't like this company. This company's Maxxeon. They're a bunch of idiots, but whatever. I don't want to talk bad about them on the internet platform. But company I don't like. But I do have a lot of these, and I got to figure out a way to get them out the door. I think we're gonna do just a crack a deal because I got cases and cases and cases of them.
No, I really don't want them.
Huh?
I really don't want them.
I hate promoting that company, but I literally have. Is that a can opener on there? That's pretty genius. Keychain. I think it's 700 looms. It's a little keychain light magnet. I think if it's got a can opener, I'm gonna give them credit. It's a pretty nice job. It's probably not made in America either, right? No, made in China. All right, boys, get your made in China tools while you can, because soon it's gonna be over. It's gonna be a wrap. Okay, guys, real quick, we did a Milwaukee deal, and it went really, really, really well. And I'm gonna break it down for you real quick. Milwaukee M12 Ratchet. High speed, 1/4 inch or 3/8. This is the full kit, 2 batteries. And it's gonna come with a ratchet, 2 batteries, charger, carry case, and I know you don't want a charger, but it's in the box. There's nothing I can do about it. This is $300. $300. 300. Now you might say, Nick, I can find a better deal online. $300 is too much. Good news. I'm going to give you something free. I'm going to give you your choice of a tire inflator, Bluetooth speaker, M12 grease gun, or the cutoff tool. Now, funny enough, I own every one of these tools. Do I have one of these, Nick? I don't think so, right?
No.
No. I have a tire inflator, and I love it. I have an M12 grease gun. I've had it forever, and I love it. And I definitely have this tool, and I did a demo on this tool in my garage back at when we were working at it, when we were still working from the basement at home when it came out. And I was so impressed with the test. At the end of the test, I said, Nick, just put this right in my toolbox. These things are amazing. They really are. Do you ever use that or no?
Yeah.
It's a great tool.
We did the floor in the basement.
Yeah. It's just a great tool. You cut flooring with this?
Yeah.
Did you use the guide?
I don't remember.
You probably didn't, but there's a guide. There's a guide in here to cut tile and flooring, which is genius, from our good friends at Milwaukee. $300. You get the kit, and if you bought this kit separate, you're probably gonna pay close. I mean, you bought it on my tool truck, you paid more than that.
I think normal price on it's like $275.
Really? So for an extra $25, you get another free tool. And I mean, like, every tool here is over $100, no matter where you buy it. So this deal is one of our fresh new deals for the quarter, and while supplies last, I suggest you get it. 1/4 inch or 3/8. If you go on the Apple website, we have a ton of new Milwaukee tools. I can't possibly talk about them all in one show, so I suggest you go on the Apple website and check there. And maybe next week's video, maybe we'll do just doing tools Friday when a Ninja comes in, and we'll
Go over our promos.
go over our Milwaukee promo. That's a good idea, Nick. I'm glad you thought of that. So you might see this set again, but what am I going to do? Not hold out from you guys? All right, guys, listen to me. I think I'm going to wrap this one up. I'm going to make this, I don't want to be here all day. I have a lot of stuff I have to do today. Black Friday's coming, and I'm on the prowl for some good deals for you guys. So if you're a manufacturer, you're watching any closeout deals, call me. You know my number. 1-833-J-SEND-IT. Hey, guys, like we always say around here, come for the price, stay for the show. Peace.